Revolutionize your lighting experience with Touché Lighting Controls Enhanced RD Panel. Ideal for retail stores, restaurants, and hotels, this advanced panel seamlessly integrates with Touché's EnNet network of room manager controllers for simple installation and powerful end-user capabilities. Enjoy unmatched versatility with support for relay-only, 0 to 10 volt dimming, forward phase, and reverse phase line voltage dimming. The RD panel offers up to 32 control channels to manage one or multiple rooms simultaneously. Scalable and adaptable, the system allows an unlimited number of RD panels to coexist on the network for enterprise applications. Designed to simplify even the most complex setups easily, Touché uses our free Insight app that uses Bluetooth to connect the installer's phone to the RD panel and EnNet network for configuration and commissioning. Simplifying the user's experience does not stop with the installer. The panel also features a 4.3-inch color touchscreen for local override control, channel status monitoring, and password protection. Go to touchecontrols.com/example-applications and discover how our RD panel can transform lighting projects with real-world examples.